My car won't start, help. What is this? Let me listen to this again. You know what the worst thing about this is? At the start of this video, for just a second, I thought this was my car. And then whenever it didn't turn on, I was actually like, wait, what? How did they know about this? Like, that was actually what went through my head whenever I first played this video. I was like, wait, how did they know this happened? Yeah, like, did I tell this story? Like, I forgot what it was. Yeah, pretty sure, wait, yeah, it's a Chevy. I never had a Chevy. I never had that, not even the same brand. Yeah, but it's like kind of the same steering wheel, right? Like, at a glance, like, you just look at it for like half a second. It looks kind of the same as mine, man. Yeah, I never had a Chevy. A Shitty? Yeah, true, man. We, listen, my dad's always gotten Ford. I've gotten Ford the whole time. And, like, he actually got a Dodge Challenger, right? And by he got, I mean, I bought most of it for him, right? But, like, the thing is, like, that car is fucking badass. Like, that is an actual fucking badass car. I love his car, man. How much is my car worth? Well, I mean, I don't know. It used to be worth like $3 grand, but like now since used cars have gone up a lot in value, maybe it's like 4 or 5. I'm not really sure. I mean, I'm not looking to buy a new car, so I don't really know what the prices of cars are nowadays. So yeah, what Ford do you have? I've got a 2001 Mustang convertible. I thought about buying a new car, but the reason why I haven't is because it's easier to just not buy a new car and drive the old car. It's like, there are a lot of things, I've said this many times, right, with cars, because people always ask me, like, Train recently bought a Lamborghini, and some other friends of mine have bought really expensive cars too. Why do you not buy an expensive car, Baldy? Why do you not do that? It's very simple. It's because if somebody hits Mizkif's car, that is $80,000. If somebody hits my car, it's $1,800. Yeah, it's a minus 80K. Like, I don't need to worry about it. Oh, the car's making a weird noise? Oh, well, who gives a fuck? It is what it is. It's 20 years old. And so I don't want to waste my money on this because I could waste my money on something that's more valuable. The thing is, if you are like super fucking rich and you buy like a really nice car, like a Ferrari or something like that, there is actually a chance that you can buy this, and if you take really good care of it, it can appreciate or hold a lot of its value. But if you are going out and buying the newest Toyota Corolla, what you are doing is taking a dollar bill and lighting it on fire. That's what you're doing, in my opinion. I'm not a fan of it. I don't give a shit about it, and it's not my kind of thing, right? Just buy a regular new car. Yeah, I mean, something like that. To me, I would buy a car that's maybe like 5 or 10 years old. That way I don't have to spend a lot of money extra on it, right? That's my...